Thank you so much, Jenny. So going to Avni now, Avni, I have a question for you. I want you to share a specific memory of any college activity that you were part of and how it helped you. कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी जिसका आप पार्ट थे या आपकी एक स्पेसिफिक मेमोरी.
Sure. As there are so many memories of this college during this 3 years, like I said, apart from the studies, there are so many other lectures, activities which they also taught us. Like हमारे yoga teacher थे, so morning में जो yoga करवाते थे, so it gives us so much energy on a whole day. So हम लोग इतना fresh feel करते थे because of that session. And also personality development का session होता था. So teachers taught us manicure, pedicure, how to do that. So वो सब चीजें जो है वो अभी हमारे आगे के करियर में हमें बहुत हेल्पफुल हो रही है. And I remember one lecture of our business communication. Our teacher told us to write one letter on a given topic. So when I write
Veena Kaimal ma'am was there, no?
Yeah, right. Yeah, ma'am. Right. Veena Kamil ma'am. So I've shown her my draft letter and she appreciated me in front of the whole batch. So I felt so happy on that day. She has literally boosted my confidence on that day. So उस दिन से मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं भी कोशिश करूंगी तो मैं भी अपना communication skill improve कर सकती हूँ. I can also talk, in English with other my बैचमेट्स, अदर टीचर्स. सो वो एक मेमोरी है जो मेरी वो लेक्चर की, जो मुझे अभी भी आगे हेल्प कर रही है इन माय करियर, प्रोफेशनल करियर. So in currently in my office, whenever I wanted to give a presentation or I have to greet foreign visitors, it's helping me a lot. So that is a very big memory of this course which gave me.
Yeah. Smriti ma'am, Smriti ma'am will be very happy to hear this. So now moving on to Henal.
Yes, ma'am.
Henal, any experience of your college days which brought some kind of transformation in you? I'm sure you may be having many, but any specific experience which you are till date very grateful about?
Yes, actually, like all my experiences have taught me something or the other in my personal and professional life, because along with subjects, this course has got n number of skill development techniques. So they have got this personal grooming, which is helping me in my designing field. They have got communication skills. We used to listen to audios in Salma ma'am's class, so that is helping me in my teaching skills. So, but one experience which I remember, Varsha ma'am had taken all of us to Rizvi College, where we had learned dining etiquettes and basically how to set a table or how to become a good host if there is some cooking, get together or parties or something like that. So even if you cook food, how are you supposed to place that on a dining table? All these things were taught to us in Rizvi College. So this thing has helped me in my personal life a lot. So today I understood that only cooking nice and cooking tasty food is not important, but presenting it in the same way where people should get tempted looking at your presentation, and not after eating they should say it looks tasty or it is very tasty. No, but looking at the presentation of the food only, they should feel that no, the food must be definitely very tasty. So this is one which I remember, which is helping me on like every day it is helping me whenever I cook food. So my family, my friends always appreciate me not only for my cooking but more for my presentation skills.
Thank you so much, Henal. I think it is called lifelong learning.
Yes, definitely.
So coming to Kruti, you were very I remember you were very proactive in college and department events participation. So can you share any of this kind of experience and how it helped you as a person?
Yes. So when I joined the course, I had a public speaking fear, a stage fear, as you can say. So I used to try and hide away. But then the college, like PVP, had something called as a talent week. So we had one full week, which is just for fun. everyone is participating in everything. So that was my way. Like, I want to move out of the class. तो चलो कहीं ना कहीं सब जगह नाम लिखा दो. We'll participate in everything. But that is when I realized that while participating in annual day functions, participating in talent week, hosting the annual day, so ये सब से ना I have lost my that stage fear and public fear. We used to run around. We used to come to you. We used to come to Smriti ma'am. We used to get us scripts for the hosting corrected and all of that. But now I can handle a team. I can handle international customers without fear. I can confidently talk to anyone I want to. So that is one thing. So apart from studies, these activities have also helped us.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So and there has been a lot of memories with the course.
I know. Especially our excursions.
Excursion was the best.
Visits. Yeah, that's true. So I think all of you have, through your interactions, I'm very happy to see that you all are still grounded, and that gratefulness towards the college, towards the course is still there in your heart. So I would request if our principal sir, do you have any questions, or do you want to say anything to these alumni of our DS batch 2006, 2009?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm so happy to be part of this moment. I must say, instead of program, our alumni, our pride. So very well presented by these alumni. I strongly feel that many times we feel that as far as PV Polytechnic is concerned, the real stakeholders are our students, our alumni, right? So the way these people presented, especially DS, amazing. बिल्कुल मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार इसे कहते हैं stakeholder, इसे कहते हैं ownership, right?
Yeah.
So that's one thing. Second thing, जब भी हम बात करते हैं PV Polytechnic या कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट की जब बात आती है, basically all teachers are either kingmaker or queen maker. अब ये तब possible है जब हमारे बच्चे either king बने या queen बने. मैं PV Polytechnic की बात करूँ तो especially queen की बात करें हम, ठीक है? So basically where we stand, अभी जहाँ हम stand कर रहे हैं, just because of these alumni only, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what we strongly feel. And one important thing in today's webinar, I found that two or three entrepreneurs are there, right?
Yes.
2 या 3 कोई entrepreneur दिख रहे हैं. एक और चीज जी एक और अच्छी चीज लगी कि यार instead of taking admission in fashion design, यार उसने जो DS में admission लिया. So DS admission लेने के बाद जो game changer का काम, either we say Polytechnic बोलो या DS बोलो या उनके dad बोलो, right?
Correct.
Finally उसने prove करके दिखाया. So that portions जो बिल्कुल मेरे काफी दिल के करीब था, right? That कुछ alumni ने ये बताया कि the way skill development की बात की, ठीक है?
Yes.
So skill development की बात की. अगर आप गौर करोगे, मैं व्यूअर को बताना पसंद करूंगा कि नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो अभी रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने लॉन्च की है और प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने लॉन्च की है, जिसके अंदर एक वर्ड आता है वोकेशनल, ठीक है? मैं अगर PV Polytechnic dear viewer, I must say from last 43 years we are in skill development. The Skilling India mission तो अभी आया है, but our motto is empowering women through skill development. Skill development के through women को अच्छे से empower कर सकते हैं. That's one thing. Second thing, viewer के साथ मैं अपने alumni को भी बताना चाहूँगा कि most of the times if we consider our alumni as a stakeholder, so definitely it's our responsibility, accountability part is there on our head कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं केयर टेकर आप खुद एलुमनाई हो मधुरा मैम, इसलिए आप थोड़ा सा आपको बाजू में रखता हूँ. मैं बात करूँ वर्षा मैम, मैं बात करूँ मेरी, मैं बात करूँ आपकी शिरली मैम, आसौरी मैम या तावड़े मैम की बात करूँ, तो वी ऑल आर केयर टेकर, ठीक है? वी ऑल आर केयर टेकर. सो अगर बीइंग अ स्टेक होल्डर और बीइंग अ केयर टेकर मुझे अगर आपको बताना है, अकाउंटेबिलिटी बतानी है, तो आई मस्ट से कि अब आपका डीएस डिपार्टमेंट, आपका पॉलिटेक्निक ये स्किलिंग डेवलपमेंट में वन स्टेप अहेड जा रहा है। अहेड जा रहा है नहीं, अहेड गया है। ठीक है, जैसे ये बैच को आपने देखा होगा, ये बैच को एक ही डिग्री मिली थी, एक ही सर्टिफिकेट मिला था, दैट केम फ्रॉम एसएनडीटी वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आने वाली बैच और इसके पहले वाली बैच, इन दोनों को 2 सर्टिफिकेशन मिलेंगे आने वाले समय पे, वन फ्रॉम एसएनडीटी वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी एंड वन फ्रॉम सेंट्रल स्किल मिनिस्ट्री। सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अलाइनमेंट, कोर्स अलाइनमेंट, आई मस्ट से इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे खुशी होगी कि DISC Department of Administration Services is the first department in PV Polytechnic who align their syllabus with sector skill concept. अगर एक आधी लड़की फेल भी हो जाती है, घबराने वाला बात नहीं है, और अगर बीच में छोड़ भी जाती है, she is already having certificate from central skill ministry. So with the help of that certificate, she can survive. ठीक है, so that's the USP. एक और चीज आप लोगों को, व्यूअर को बता दूं, our polytechnic is the only polytechnic in the state of Maharashtra, as well as, to the best of my knowledge, in India, who is giving diploma in administration services, AICTE approved diploma in administration services. That's one. Second thing, as far as PV Polytechnic is concerned, PV Polytechnic is the only polytechnic in Western region, not in the state of Maharashtra. Only polytechnic in the Western regions who got grant from skill development and entrepreneurship. With the help of PM Yuva Yojana, we have dedicated entrepreneurship cell. So I must share this news with our alumni, 2 alumni who are entrepreneurs. So near future, their role play an important role for us.
Yes.
Right. Untold success story. Under that portions, we are already having lots of lectures, specially delivered by young entrepreneur, our alumni entrepreneur. Right. That's second thing. The third thing, very soon, PV Polytechnic will have their own incubation center. So we are well equipped. PV Polytechnic is well equipped with Startup India, Stand Up India, and Skilling India. These three important things are there with PV Polytechnic. I hope with this small word, मुझे लगता है कि मैंने रुकना चाहिए, but at the same time, जैसे वर्षा मैम ने बताया था कि माइका, yes, हमारे alumni के लिए PV Polytechnic second माइका ही है, और ये माइका तब रौनक भरेगा, ये माइके में तब जान आएगी जब हमारे अपने alumni कॉलेज में obviously DS डिपार्टमेंट में तो आते हैं. I will be more than happy to see all these alumni in principal cabin. एक हल्का सा चाय और बहुत सारी बातें, because आपका अपना जर्नी भी शायद हम लोगों को भी मोटिवेट कर रहा है. So that's all from my end.
Thank you. Sir, if you can throw a little light on our admissions for PV Polytechnic.
Yes. PV Polytechnic, if you just check it out, you just Google and find out the Polytechnic which is having highest number of courses. That means I must say I'm happy to share with you all 16 courses in one row. Diversified, unconventional courses are there with PV Polytechnic, right? 16 courses. It includes degree as well as diploma, right? So admission for diploma courses that is already started. Degree already started. We are having dedicated WhatsApp group. We are having dedicated website address, pvpsndt.org/admission-2020-21. Over the entire system, entire information is available on your fingertip.